So today I decided I would do this very bright, colorful makeup look with gray lips. Now, this was a request on my Snapchat, so thank you, Ari, for requesting this. I really hope you guys like this makeup look. It's obviously not everyday wearable, but I mean, makeup is meant to have fun with, and I like to have fun with my makeup. So I really hope that you guys like this. And if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment, because now with YouTube's new rules, I won't be a partner in February. So now again, I have to work my way up to 4,000 hours, and I really need your guys' help to do this. So yeah, if you guys could, just comment and give me a thumbs up, that would really help me out a lot. And now we'll get right into the video. So the very first shade that I'm going to be using is this hot pink, and I'm going to use this as my blending shade, and then in my crease, just a little bit more precise, I will be applying this deeper, more like pinky purple fuchsia type of color, whereas this one is like a highlighter pink. And I'm just going to build it up. I'm going to use this brush to apply the darker pink that I showed you guys. And I'm bringing it a lot lower and just feeling for that hollow part of the eye, of the socket. And I'm also going to pack it onto the outer part of the eye. So now to deepen out the outer corner, I'm going to take this shade right there, and I'm going to apply it just because I want to create some depth. I will apply a little bit of the brown. And this one is more like a reddish tone, so it's going to really complement the eyeshadow. You can see it just looks a lot deeper now. Right, so now I'm taking this purple right here. I'm going to apply it to like halfway on the lid, and then I will be applying this more brighter blue right here, which is also a shimmery shade. Then on the very inner corner of the eye, I will be taking this one right here. Now to apply those colors, I am going to have to wet my brushes because they just don't go on as intense without me wetting them. So I'm going to use just my setting spray and spray my brush. So just going to begin with the purple, and I'm just like patting it on first, and then you can pull down, like press it and pull down, and it makes it a lot more vibrant. So now for the lighter, like more teal blue. So now to my bottom lash line, I'm going to apply that really pretty like deep blue that I applied on the center. And I'm going to take a really deep shimmery forest green and just apply it on the very outer half of the bottom lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to do my winged liner with my Inglot gel liner in number 77. If you guys have never tried this gel eyeliner, I recommend that you try it because it is the best eyeliner out there. Like, this is very, very black, and it goes on matte, and it glides on like perfection. Like, if you struggle with eyeliner, this is the eyeliner to practice with. Okay, so now for my lashes, Cocoa Lashes in Goddess. Alright, so now I'm going to line my lips with Stone Lip Liner by MAC. Okay, so now for my lipstick, I'm going to be doing Resin by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I was going to do like a nude lipstick or a bright pink, but then I thought, okay, if I do a bright pink, I'm going to look like I just came out of the 80s. But if I do a nude, it'll be like, I've done that before. So I thought, why not go like a grayish resin? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!